make a batch of my favorite blueberry muffins ever. And those of you that have been making these for years, you know these are the best blueberry muffins you will ever have. They're like bakery style with a great streusel topping, and they're so delicious and bouncy. Oh my goodness, they're just the best. You start off with fresh blueberries that you're going to toss in a little bit of flour. This is some of the flour that we'll be using in the batter. So just set those aside, and then I'm just going to come in here and take some eggs and sugar, and I'm just going to whisk them using a handheld electric whisk until they're nice and pale. And then I'll come in here and stream in some neutral oil. You could do something like an avocado oil, a veg oil, or an extra light tasting olive oil. And I like to stream that in so it gets well combined. And then I'm going to add in my buttermilk along with vanilla and my dry ingredients. And I'll just give everything a really good mix to combine, but do not overmix or your muffins will be really tough and heavy. And once your batter comes together, toss in the blueberries that were tossed in some of that flour and just give them a stir to combine them in the batter. We do this so that the blueberries don't sink to the bottom of the batter. Once you did that, set it aside, and then I'm just going to take some flour, sugar, and cinnamon, and I'm just going to mix it together and then add some cold butter and cut that in using a pastry cutter. You can just use your fingers. You're just trying to make a streusel topping, and once it's there, you are pretty much ready to fill your muffin tin and go. Now, I will leave the exact recipe link for this because I have this recipe on my website. The only difference is that I'm baking these at 375 for 22 minutes rather than a higher temperature that the recipe calls for, because I find that they bake just a little more evenly at a lower temperature. So just keep that in mind, but otherwise the recipe is exactly as stated in the one that I have linked for you down below. And once you have them all ready, just go ahead and pop these into the oven until they're golden brown and gorgeous, and that is it. They are literally the best muffins you will ever make, and while blueberries are in season and they're gorgeous and sweet and just divine, make yourself a couple batches and you will be so thankful that you did. Check the description down below for everything you need to know, and I will catch you in the next one. Enjoy! Bye-bye!